wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best vertical climbers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Weslo stepfit has wider footrests than nearly any other model available on the market, which offers users a higher sense of stability throughout their workout. Despite having multiple height adjustments, it may be unsuitable for those under 5'3" though. It comes with an integrated smartphone shelf and adjustable resistance levels. However, the pedals move down too slowly. At number 7, the Viva Life Fitness Max features anti-slip footrests, a compact folding design, and a multifunctional computer that will track your distance, time, calories burned, and speed. Perhaps best of all, it costs significantly less than many other models. It's easy to set up and use, but the safety pin can pop out of place, and it has a rather low 240-pound weight capacity. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the feierdun Total offers 5 adjustment levels and nicely padded non-stick grips that are comfortable while also minimizing the chance of slippage from sweaty hands. It provides your body with a very natural movement that most will find comes easily to them. It promises a straightforward assembly and is backed by a 2-year warranty. However, the pedals can crack from heavy users. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vertical climbers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Body Champ Leisa Hart utilizes an exclusive bungee system rather than chains or cables like most other options. And also, unlike many others, its display screen is positioned in such a way that you can easily see it from the top. This one's equipped with a contoured safety rail and wheels for easy repositioning. It delivers a very fluid movement. Halfway up our list at number 4. If you want a variety of workout options but need to maximize the space in your home, the Best Choice Products Total Body 2-in-1 is a good buy. It's both a vertical climber and magnetic exercise bike in one relatively compact unit. It mimics real-life rock climbing and offers 8 resistance levels and 2 hand positions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the merax folding can support users weighing over 300 pounds and allows you to adjust the height of the handles to perfectly suit your body's proportions. Its square steel tubing and wide stance provides a lot of stability, even when performing at a high intensity. It comes with a high-contrast LCD screen that monitors your time and distance. It's easy on the joints. At number 2, the Conquer 3.0 is a budget-friendly option that weighs just 35 pounds, so you should have no trouble moving it out of the way when you're finished exercising. It functions smoothly and quietly, allowing you to focus on your workout. It's a sturdy steel construction with thick foam hand grips, and it displays your calories burned. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the maxiclimber Original gives you a full-body workout that both tones and burns calories. It comes with a companion app that helps you track your progress and also provides you with effective high-intensity interval training routines. This one requires almost no assembly and is equipped with slip-resistant footrests. It folds up for compact storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vertical climbers, or simply click beneath this video.